Rebound by Apolonio. And here's Javier.
Inside pass. Doy!
Sinausaw ni Kasia. Valencia kicks it out. Open look. Fires a 3. Bam! 3 pass. Fakes. Apolonio will drive. Will stop. Will fakes. Lays off the window. The carry. Tan will drive.
Penetrates.
Hook shot of the window. By for 2. And here's 5-2-1 cup for in Batak City. And the first ball possession, first blood. That's for, and here's Team Aldwil at the 3-point area at the wing side. Valencia kicks it out. Open look, fires a 3. Bam! 3 points na Horda. And here comes YXZ. Minus launches on 3. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Here comes Team Aldwil. Scores the middle lane. He's at the top right now, setting the play. Sisinyas ng rock and roll. Will attack. Goes to the screen. He attacks to the wing side. The side step. Pass on the middle. Godoy fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Godoy to Bayudan. Long pass. Hook shot. Nagid. Fight for the rebound. Rebound by Apolonio. And here's Javier. Inside pass. Doy! Sinausaw ni Kasia. For XYZ. Javier now stops at the middle. To the further side of the baseline. Bucket for 2. That's slowly dribbling the ball. He's at the logo area. Setting the play. Against Javier. He goes to the screen. He attacks. Penetrates reverse layup. Rejected by Minus. And Minus now with the ball, the long pass to Kasia. Uy! Grabe, hang in the end. Now at the top, against Javier. He goes to the screen, screened by Valencia. Open look, fires a 3. Won't go, tips in, still no good. Minus, passes to Kasia. Kasia against the Horda. Crosses over, will stop the pass. Oh, Lish, yes sir! And 5. In favor of XYZ Esta. Esta will drive. Side step. Pinabitin, rejected. And the pass crash. Nauna na. Oh! Tap. Sayang naman. Bayudan. Horda. Launches on 3 na good. And the pass. Apolonio. High pass. Kasia. Sinausaw. And Tan checking in for Team Aldwils. Horda holds the ball. Pass to Valencia. Pass to the wing side. Tan will drive. Penetrates. Hook shot of the window. Bucket for 2. Tan. He pass. Fires a 3. Reyes. Bam! 3 more. Javier with the ball. Javier stops. Pass to Apolonio. Pass to Minus. He stops to the baseline. He goes out. He stops. Launches on 3. Too strong. Rebound by Horda to Tan. Pass to Horda. Horda kicks out to Tan. Tan, sisinyas. Natapikan mula sa likod. The long pass. Received by Kasia. All alone to the hoops. Easy 2. Checking in for Team Aldwils. And here's Horda to Berradero. Step back 3. Won't go. Rebound by Godoy. Pass to the middle. Horda fires. Won't go. And rebound para kay Javier. The long pass. Kasia will drive. Will bump. Will fires off the window. Woohoo! Pinabit. Berradero to Tan. To Horda. Stop. Floater shot. Won't go. Rebound. Falling away. Won't go. And the long pass. Fakes. Apolonio will drive. Will stop. Will fakes. Lays off the window. The carry. Pakleb. Long pass to the wing side. Kasia inside pass to the baseline. Apolonio decided to take easy. Pakleb launches on 3. In and out. Rebound Arquero. Bucket for Tukaka. Pakleb. Pass to Apolonio. Will drive. Baseline pull up J. Yes sir. And his team bounce pass. Berradero. Pass to the wing side. Tan goes inside. Lays rejected by Arquero. 1-1-1 and pass. That's the end of the action here. Gamit. Bondok. Corner post na Horda. Gamit to the wing. Stan. He spins. Gamit. Lost the hoop. And the pass. Kasha again. Lace. And now this time sure ball. Pakleb to Tan. Pass to na Horda. To Gamit. Gamit. Stop. Pull up J. Na good. Rebound for team. Arquero. Cross the mid lane. Arquero at the top. He stop. He passes to Pakleb. Bounce pass. Kasha drive. The floater shot. Na good. Arquero spins. Fires. Basket and one. And 17-point lead for team XYZ. Here's Gamit. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3. Bam! Pakleb na out the top. He stop. Pass to the wing side. Apolonio. Pass back to Pakleb. Inside pass. The floater shot by Arquero. In and out. And the rebound here is Gamit. He crosses over. Iniwan yung dalawa. Corner pass. Wide open for 3. Bam! Back to back. And here's Pakleb. Pass to the middle, Arquero. Wing side, Kasha. Kasha. Pass to Pakleb. Pass to Arquero. Will bounce, will pass. Corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Beyonce. Now at the top. He passes the wing side. He's stolen by Kasha. Kasha, he pass. And Pakleb will lace. Yes, sir. Pakleb for 2. And here's Stan. Drives. To pass inside. He pass. Yes, sir. Now, here's Arquero. Arquero. Through the rim. Yes, sir. Pleb. Between the legs. Stops pass to the corner. Cross pass. Minus fakes. Deep 3. Bam! The nets. And pass. Minus. Minus. Now at the top. He goes to the screen. Kicks it out. Fakes. They discard. They're looking for the opponent. He pass. Valencia will drive. Pinoy step of the window. Bucket for 2. Bayudan. Now at the wing side. Pass to Horda. Pass back to Bayudan. Tan. For 3. Won't go. Tips in. Still no good. Rebound Valencia. Pinasahan si Tan. Tan will drive. The crosses over. He lays. Yes, sir. Cabiñas. Cabanas. Valencia. To minus. Minus. Bump against Tan. Kicks it out. Pakleb drives. Hook pass. Valencia. Pinoy step again. Lace. Oh! Miracle shot! And here's now Horda. Valencia. Bayudan. Now Horda. Corner pass. Tan for 3. Bang! 3 points. Bayudan now at the top. Pass to Horda. Horda to Valencia. Pinasahan ng kalaban. And the long pass. Naagawan ni Bayudan. Bayudan goes to the screen. Open fakes. Kicks out. Horda. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Valencia. Valencia. Stop to the middle. Pull up J. Bullseye. Tan. Bayudan. Oh! In all alone. Godoy. Oh! Grabe naman kung mamalasing ka naman. And the pass. Open for sa 3. Bang! 3. Ngayon si Javier. Javier kicks out. Open. He decided to take it easy. Ursulum pass to the middle. He stop for 3. Bang! 3 po. Tan crosses over, drives, pull up jumper, the oop, no good. And it's Javier against 3 defender, space, pass, lace, bucket, another 2 arc. Tan, cross pass, Horda for 3, bang, 3 points, Horda. And here's Javier, bounce pass inside, Arquero hook shot, bucket for 2, air ball. And here you go, Bayudan. Pass to the corner, fires at 3. Bang! 3 balls! Tan, pupunas ng sapatos. Against Javier. Pass to the wing side. Esta. Kicks out. Nahorda. Nahorda. Para sa 3. Oop. Oop. Boog. Muntik na. Nahorda. Cross pass. Esta. For 3. Bang! Danis! Esta. Nahorda. Nahorda get minus. Pass to Tan. Tan pass. Nahorda. Open look. In and out. Rebound by Apolonio. The long pass. Hey, Kasha all alone. Easy bucket. Minus. Bounce pass to Kasha. Posting up. Further shot. Bullseye. Kasha. Bondok. Bondok. High pass. Tan inside pass. Nahorda. Far short. Rebound. Este. Bucket for 2. Apolonio to minus. Minus now at the top. Against Nahorda. Pass to the middle. Kasha. Kasha. Didiskarte against Tan. Picks. Inside. Oh! The tic-tac-toe pass! Easy pa. Easy finish. Minus stops. Pass to Kasha. Launches on 3. Bam! Another 3. Kasha. And here's Tan. Tan. Penetrate. He bump. He kicks out. Bondok for 3. Bang! The nets. Here, slowly dribbling the ball. He goes to the top. He goes to the screen. He passes to Kasha. Kasha inside pass. The delibero. Nagid. Tan. Pass. Nahorda. Fires. Yes, sir. Pump and shot. Polonio. To minus. Minus. Against Bondok. At the wing side. Between the legs. Closes over. He asks for a pick. He drives. The floater shot of the window. Nagid. Nahorda the rebound. Nahorda goes to the wing side. Dribbling the ball. He stopped looking for receiver. Esta to Tan. Tan. Deep 3. One go. Rebound by Minus. Minus bounce pass. Kasha. Drive to the hoops. Yes, sir. Bier now at the top. Pass to Minus. Minus. Corner pass. Open look. Fires at 3. Bang! Yes, sir. And now at the top. He pass. Bondok for 3. Short. Rebound by Minus. Pass to Kasha. Kasha. He stop at the 3-point area. Javier. Here's Kasha. Open. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 point. And here you go. Nahorda will drive. Bump. Goes inside. Oy! Kinain sa ilalim. Ayudan. Pass to Nahorda for 3. Bang! Nahorda. Cross the mid lane. Pass to the wing side. Javier for 3. Won't go. Rebound by Minus. Minus against Bayudan. Minus. He goes inside. He spins. He kicks out. Navarroza for 3. Bang! Triple. Pakleb. Pakleb to Minus. Minus goes to the middle. He stop Inacinta. Tumira sa 3. Bang! Umuulan ng 3. And here's Bayudan. Bayudan to the wing side. Reynon crosses over the bounce pass. Valencia, no look pass inside. Libre. What a dish. What a fun. Kasha using the clock. He pass to the wing side. Pakleb launches on 3. Nagid. Valencia. And here's Team Adwills. Tan. Pass to Nahorda. Cross pass. Corner. Reynon. Pass sa kalaban. Ursulum. Ursulum at the top. Passes to Javier. Dives to the hoops. Yes, sir. Javier. Tan against Javier. He bump. Goes inside. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Tan. Here's Tan. Tan now at the top. Behind the back 3 ball. Pass to Nahorda. Nahorda high pass inside. Valencia kicks out. Open. Fires a 3. Bang! The nets. Cabanas. Ursulum to kicks out. Open. Fires a 3. Too strong. Rebound na Horda. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Bang! The Nets! And now inbounding. Backdoor inbound, kicks out. Na Horda for 3. Bang! Na Horda! Cabanas, pass to Arquero. Rejected by Na Horda. And the pass break, isa pa. And lays in the second time. Bound for Team Adwils, now looking for the receiver. Pass to Bondok. Bondok now dribble the ball. He's spinning, goes to the baseline. And he stopped the cross pass. Here's Reyes, he bump, he kicks it out. Open look, fires a 3. Bang! 3 for the receiver, backdoor inbound. Kicks it out. Pakleb. Against his stepping back. Over Bond. Here's Arquero. Decided to take it easy. Against Reyes, goes to the screen, corner pass to Pakleb. Pakleb spins, drive to the hoops, rejected by Bondok. And here's Tan. Tan, long pass. And the pass, floater shot by Reyes, easy too. And here's Pakleb, bounce pass. Corners, looking for the to the line. And he goes out, decided to take it easy. Crossover move, natapikan ni Na Horda. And the high pass to the middle. Drives, kicks out. Attacks, bump, fires. Yes, sir. Middle. And stolen. Estalis of the window money.